In an information studies program, I teach a workshop course on balloon animal twisting. This video surveys the course and shows how balloon animal twisting can be situated in information science. But first, why teach balloon animal twisting? Because as a practitioner, I discovered the balloon-joy ratio. That is, for a small investment in training and materials, balloon twisting generates concentric circles of joy that encompass the child recipient, their chaperones, observers, and the surrounding community. The workshop is open to graduate students in all concentrations of a Master of Information program. It meets for 6 3-hour weekly sessions. Here's the syllabus. The learning outcomes include creating a menagerie of balloon animals, applying theories from information science and beyond, and developing a unique identity as a balloon artist. These are the values that guide the course. In the workshop, we analyze balloon animal twisting through Lloyd's holistic conception of 3 information modalities. Textual, documentary, or epistemic information is codified in a modest popular literature of balloon twisting handbooks and instructional videos. Social information is exchanged when speaking with people during the balloon twisting encounter. Students of the course design and practice affirming and educational scripts, such as,
"A yellow giraffe is a fantastic choice. Do you know what's inside the balloon?"
Yet, in this whimsical craft, embodied or corporeal information is paramount. Students acquire the dexterity and know-how to transform long balloons into animal forms through interlocking bubbles. Over time, twisters gain what I call balloon sense in their hands. That is, an embodied knowledge of a balloon's pressure, behavior, and potential. Next, timely social scientific theories vitalize and deepen the conversation. We ask,
What is balloon animal twisting?
The serious leisure perspective, a theoretical framework of leisure, provides an answer and reveals 4 distinct information environments. As well, we critically reflect.
Where are the animals in information science?
This leads us into the multispecies movement and a greater appreciation for the more-than-human world. With an IDA Libraries, we design a ready-for-reading early literacy program featuring balloon animals. Incrementally, participants develop unique identities as balloon artists. A final examination of sorts is to share this newfound ability with children at a public event, as one creative twister did in costume. In another culminating project called the Balloon Bridge, small groups create something that bridges balloon animal twisting and information science. To that end, my students created an original playful app that aligns a person with a balloon animal in color that suits their personality.
I'm a pink ladybug, the resilient sweetheart.
This workshop on balloon animal twisting upholds timely values, explores sundry theories, and recognizes information in all its forms. Students of the course build bridges, craft identities, and nourish a next generation. They discover information science in balloon animals, and thereafter, everywhere.
Information is everywhere.